Welcome children. Today we'll be doing distributive property once again. I hope you have done all the previous sums. Okay, so otherwise it'll be difficult for you. Now this is distributive property, a continuation. I've divided into two different classes for your convenience actually. Now what we know by now that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. And this is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, where A is distributed to B, A is distributed to C, and we get A into B minus A into C. And A, B, C are all whole numbers. Now, before we used to get sums like, say, in this form, this left-hand side form. Like you were asked to find 7 into 109. Like 7 say into 109. The 109 you used to add 100 plus 9 and then distribute it like this. Now this part of the chapter topic will be your right hand side. This type of sums will be given to you. And you have to write in this manner. And from this side you'll simplify and get the answer. Like previously in the last class, we started from this side. We continued this side towards the right hand side. We distributed the number to the ones to the numbers between the brackets, and then we simplified. But now our sums will be in the form of this right hand side part. Now here's an example. Can you see 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So this 297 can be taken as A. So here this is A into B. B is 17 plus A into C. C is 3. I hope you understood. So this part is A into C. This part is A into B. Now, do not go to multiply this plus this. It's very complicated. So you have to understand that we have to move now from right hand side towards the left hand side because these two parts are equal. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So this part we will write as in the form of this. Now see here. So what I did, A I took it out and wrote 17 plus 3 within brackets. A was distributed to 17 and A was distributed to 3. So here I brought A outside and I wrote into 17 plus 3. So that gives you 297 and I calculated this part 17 plus 3, I got 20. And finally, this is very easy calculation, 297 into 2 and you put a 0 at the end. Now the next one. Same type, can you see? Here, which one is A? I have highlighted the A, which is common to both. 81265, that is 81,265. Here also we have, and it is separated by a subtraction sign. So see, it is AC, AB. If 169 is B, then it is AB minus AC. A into B minus A into C. So here, what I do is I take out A common. A is common to both. And I write the rest of the numbers within the brackets. So here I have 169. Then I have the subtraction sign. And I have 69. So this is of the form multiplication over subtraction. Now here Instead of going back and writing in this form, we are going to simplify and get it the answer. So here we have 81,265 and within the brackets we get 100. And then, you know, it's very easy to multiply by 100. You just add 2 zeros at the end of this number. Okay. Now this one, it is a little different. It's from your textbook, NCERT book. Now, it's given 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Now we can see a plus sign, and here there are numbers multiplied. Here also there are numbers multiplied, but we are not getting anything common, the A part, isn't it? Neither we are getting the B part here. We are not sure which is A, which is B, which is C here. Now, of course, this will need a little bit of practice. I wouldn't say you will understand at one go, but with practice, you can learn this. Now, so what I did is I just wrote the first part as it is, and then I wrote a plus sign here. And then here, the 25 was something I could simplify here easily. I don't know what to do with 769 and 218. So first I just wrote 5 into 5. And I tried to think, what can I do? And I found that 5 into 769 gives me this number. Okay, it was just a trial and error method, you can say. Like I tried multiplying 5 by this also. I tried multiplying 5 by this. So when I multiplied this, I saw I got a number common to this. So immediately I wrote that number down. Now when I multiplied, I got 3,845 and the rest I wrote it as it is. Now in this is one term plus this is another term. And what you see that we get, this part is common. I've highlighted it, the common part. So that I took it as A and I brought it here and the rest I put it within brackets. 782, it remains, this is B, plus, and C here I got as 280. Now you see you'll get the calculation within the brackets. When you calculate, you'll find you get 1,000, which makes it a bit easier for you to calculate. And then you multiply this, and I got this part. When I multiplied 3,845 into 5, I got this part, 19,225. Then multiplying by 1,000, I added the 3 zeros. So I hope you understood. Now the next sum is not difficult. Same here, you can directly get A, 54279. 54,279 is A here. Now B is 92, C is 8. Now here always we write AB plus AC. But here A is written here, C is written here. But doesn't matter, isn't it? Because multiplication is commutative. Two numbers you can multiply in any order. It will be same. So these two multiplication, AC or CA is same. So what we do, we take out A, common part, and B we write within brackets, plus C we write within brackets. And you see how it made our calculation easier. 92 plus 8 gives you 100, and 54,279 is here. This is multiplication here, isn't it? It is obvious it's multiplication. So what do we get? 54,27,900. So I hope you've understood how to do it. Try to go through. Now here are some sums that I've given you for practice. Now here you see which part is A, you can find out. 5,612 is A, B is 98, C is 2. So B plus C will be within brackets, isn't it? And A will be outside. Then you'll find 98 plus 2 will give you 100, and then you can calculate. So similarly, you try this out. Here there's a subtraction sign. So don't forget to put subtraction here. Now in this there are three terms. 2,389 into 220 is 1. 2,389 into 18 is 1. 2,389 into 2 is 1. So what we do here, this is in the form AB, AC, AD, you can say. So we take 2,389 is common. We take it out. We say there it is common to the three terms. This is one term, this is one term, and this is one term. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So it is separated by this minus sign. So this is one term, this is one term, and this is one term. So we take 2,389 common. Within brackets, we write 220, then minus, then what will come? 18, then minus 2. So from 220, you first subtract 18, then you subtract 2, and check what you get and do it. And this one will be like what I have done, similar type of something I have done before. So with this, I wind up today. For this week, this is distributive property. I wind up with distributive property. Thank you and be safe.